What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the HD spot. I am back again with a car install. Just gonna apply some more carbon fiber pieces for the car. I ordered these from Synth Carbon, so the first thing that I'll be doing is doing the Honda badge on the steering wheel. It's just filling in these spaces right here with some carbon fiber accents just to match things that I've already put in the past. I've also ordered from them the front and rear Honda badges and some door handle covers. I'll show you guys that later, but first things first will be the steering wheel badge. Pretty straightforward. Just gotta make sure that the area that you'll be applying the pieces are clean. Just water and a microfiber towel is enough, just to make sure there's no dust or debris. That way the 3M adhesive tape from these accents stick onto the steering wheel itself, as opposed to any kind of dust, preventing any easy peeling in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Before doing anything like taking out the tape or whatnot, it's good to just kind of test fit where it's gonna be going, just to see if it looks good or not. See, this side I've already kind of tested, looks better on the right side than on the left. That's the rule of thumb when we're working with anything like 3M tape or double-sided tape. Before you even think about removing that plastic cover, try to test fit. Always make sure that things line up properly, that the sizing is correct, because you'd hate to have the plastic off, you're ready to install, and you're like, oh, hold up, midway it's like, oh, it doesn't even fit this way, or it doesn't fit right. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this space up, install these little accents. I got them simmering in the heat just to activate that 3M tape, and I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. Okay folks, there you have it, the final product. It looks really nice. It really looks flush with all the other pieces. Completes the steering wheel. Pretty straightforward install. You just gotta have very delicate, meticulous hands, because it kind of took me a while, especially for this little piece right here, to get it just right. And when you're working with like 3M tape or double-sided tape, it gets kind of hard when it starts to stick and you're trying to manipulate that piece. But so far so good. Happy with that piece. Really cheap also on Synth Carbon's website. I can put the link below if you guys are interested. And now on to the other pieces. We still got the front and the rear Honda badges to go, and the side door handle covers, and let's get to it.